manje phela ngiyakuyindawo engingayazi nokuyazi. Mina ubuso bami vele eheseke yami mangivala amagaraji yabo. Ya vele hayi. Ngihlangana nabo maloya ngesicaba la siphumula sho afile angasiye sencenga sonke lapha file ba out yabo. From off vele ngabhayiziseki ngisithole inkazi ngitshela file kufanele inkazi nani mpela sidladleni ngithola ngidinga inani angigaye nenyuko ngithola. But lesasikubambela hayi baba. Uma kancane. Ngithola. Angikwazi basho kimi. That time offset asekaphumi ngingena kumba se Boksburg hayi yena yilo ngithatha kanjalo yabona ayibambela into zami ngashaya umthetho that time mpatha le mhlophe hayi vele Boksburg sha asifike vele Boksburg 224 la new one side ngithola hayi siyangena la into bebaxoxela yona like ngiyayibona naye okay sharp sokwenzakala so manje okay bathe masifela size ema-kitchen okay after ama-kitchen okay siphasa i-chin okay yabo shuthi masixoxa ama-chimos bane-picture yayo yonke into esazoyenzeka but amanye ama-clips akhona ngwapesha yabo alright ne-sharp 224 la singene ema-kitchen sharp moja baphethe in ayabheka yami imali sengijafile ngimnandi asingene vele that time eBoksburg i-A section bayivalile basa renovate asingene vele okay sharp batanga section C section hayi vele singene C section qale ngithi cell 83 probation cell la ufikela khona vele bonke abonyuwani ngithola ayifike lapha vele ay sharp moja futhi masifika lapha khona amajita ay5 ahlala kule cell ukuthi nasibale cell le A1 ne26 F4 28 big 5 ngithola babuze bakhona ushaya umthetho bafeda hayi ke ushaya umthetho ngapha wabafana shaya umthetho right le sharp bese lama out lawo azokhetha amongst lawa bathina bangashaya umthetho yabo nje ngathi yakhanyanyana yabo azokala yimacala yabona ngidonso usesh enye 26 yabo ay macala zwakala macala yabona ay sure hani stressless macala sure asi angumcavi ngithola asiye mcala shapa siye mfethu mina ngiseshimane so shuthi manje yobhila kanje la kule selena ngizohlala for amalanga angaka bese from there nizophuma ningene sectionini seningena kahle emaselini ya la kuzoba kanje nakanje alright sure bro wami ngiyakuzwa ngithola sho uvele ni out embodeni uMeketsi entanga wena seshimistini bamba nani shit intanga la nanomqamelo yabo shonta ngashapa bafaka bomtshela lapha eJimistini mfethu hey akulibuza amanye amagama madoda umtshela danta ngabakhona ataso ring ekseni ntanga bani manje le wala mdaba wabona into wenzakalani la angithola ekseni vele bevuka uqinasi letho silena emfethu ubheka mina awuthe so awusikimanga abantu abasoso borabza wena ngithi sure atayo ngiyakucava ntanga from eJimistini beninokufika endaweni soso ngithi sure atayo sure ntanga ayakhululeka sisonke yabo hayi siye first day yabo ngisikime no sesh ngithola ay mara ngibona manje le 26 le ayayingishayi le
usikima kanjani 26 bathi labantu abaphila
impatha angithi manje eminyaka yena ukuthi angisebenze mina njengempatha ngithola ngoba mina nami ngiyimntu engakhona ngithola ama-26 ngiblomile nayo ngaphandle ngigange nawo ngaphandle nyawacava ngithola so whatever akuzela ngayo ngiyakhona ukumfunda kumbambe ngithola le ayingishayi le ngithola ngishawe ezinye ezi2 esihlala le ngasemnyango ngithola uFan Dam noOnele Diamond sesha umanqane ulandele izakhe yeba mfethu ehleke man angazi man makanyani mbona ukuthi khona different nina different nakulabo ngingashawa yini hambani bafethu athi namfethu ngama Air Force maraf 3 ngithola since bakutshela maphuma kule seleli uyokufaka noma eliphi seli lana ngithi bheka ufike ngene selini namaraf 3 bathi serious ntanga ngithi sure ufike ngene selini namaraf 3 the way bangakhona ya lishuthi ngikhona ukurelate kubo ne ngazibona kimi kubo understand ama 26 ngiphilile nawo ngithola angiziboni la understand bafethu mina ngishawa yini enhleke man onele man awuthola no Van Damme yabo but athi singama rough 3 mfethu mfethu mafungene nesilini ama rough 3 yabona basho batshela indoda yase rough 3 tenetapeka kunomuntu oso uthi ufuzo ngena lapha esilini usikhethele asumbizanga uthena ufuna ukuzwakala la eselini yabona sizoyihlala le 7 days la le probation cell ne masiphuma la songena la eselini bheka bese bangimele vele kanti angazwakala shosho uvele ngithola ufuna ayisho
So now, mara what on the cell?
yeah eBoksburg there was a time where by now ushaya umthetho kabuhlungu kabi each and every cell behlala ngenkambi ama 28 wodwa 5 wodwa 26 wodwa ama 4 wodwa nesel abantu bangashaya umthetho zithi juvenile ngithola ama 3 wodwa you understand uhlala kanjalo eBoksburg so na ungena kule leli amehlala le emuva namadoda amakhulu alright sharp bafethu nithi impete na uthengisa ano stress asikho mali hayi sharp motayi impete yabo understand ngishala amalanga lokunye off ngibuya yabo mangibuya off ngisangena eminyango lela eminyango igaya inkawuza kawuza yeah angithi khona esengibajwayele understand ngicommunicator nabo yabo okay sharp tanga inkawuza yabo matalazinyo eminyango matalazinyo na inkawuza ngoba masifika vele sifikele eminyango hlala eminyango before basibiza le move understand so most of the time mangifuna ngixoxa nomadalazinyo eminyango yabona isuke one day matalazinyo mina ngiyabona ngathi manje yabona manje izongidonsela la beyithi ngizohamba ingasikudala ngiyabona ukuthi hayi izodonsa bheka matalazinyo ufuna uba Air Force 3 athi why matalazinyo ngizibona zonke le inkambi yabo ayikho engathi iyangishukumisa yabo athi right bheka hayi after 3 days you chill nomadala ayangirelax 3 days angibuyele futhi uyi sengina 3 weeks na ku trial now sengiyabona ukuthi bheka le engiboshwele la it's heavy akusukudlala i-heavy angibuye vele after 3 days understand yabona ukuthi ngiyimpatha ne but nginempatha le ekhanyayo angilala ehlathini athi ngithengile umbhede mina mangifika so nginempatha le ekhanyayo noma ngibuye off ngibuya ngiphethe into zami and futhi yezami understand akekho umuntu ongithathelayo yezami amadoda eskelem lawa yabo but ama gentleman amadoda epeace understand into yabe sibhekile ejele nje phela ukuthi thina sifuna ukuphuma siya ngaphandle azange uzohlala la azange ukuzowakha la understand but then sibe sixoxe le yabo rasha bathi ngozantanga ke langa lakho loku-3 dlulela ke manje hayi ziye ama protocols akhona silandele imigomo yakhona onqobhoze vele RAF3 shayile umfoka amadala hayi ayikho ngaphandle siye ngento kamadala siyincele siye ngento kamadala siyincele siye ngento kamadala siyincele yabo yazi bathi into if bekumele understand relate more than anything amacala amaningi ngaphandle ama 26 amanye ama 28 mina ngerough 3 nabe bazibuza wena hlaka China wena kanjani tentanga bheka mina phela ningenzisi sayincela into kamadala yangikhulisa understand via discipline nokwenza izinto yabona eqaleni bengenza izinto but bengenza ngibhekile ngazange ngayibhekisisa understand so bekunama loopholes abhaya so inkeleziseni inombolo ukuthi ibheka man izinto sozenza ngenye indlela yabona anye ngikhulume nawe umfethu ngithi wena ngizongijwayela ka wena ngijwayela amasimba umfethu anyeke yabo so ifundisa lo discipline leyo lo respect leyo you understand okay sincela into kamadala siye ngayo discipline ziye ngokuya angithi uyaphasa standard 1 standard 2 yabo standard 3 yabona manje sesenze ezinye izinto ke manje Hayi, angeke ngikhona ukuyisho le yabo. Angithi kunemiyalo yabo ukuthi ukudla kwala ekhaya asihambise ukukhipha noma kanjani. You understand? Ngoba ngithi imfihlo yasekhaya. You understand? Manje ngiyaqhapha yabo, but abafethu bona bayangithola ukuthi ngithini. Ngeke ngize ngizoyikhipha, but then kunama-divisions ngokuhlukana kwawo, nemisebenzi ohlukile. You understand? Yeah. So but ukusho ukuthi ngithi angeke ngabe manje-ke abafethu angisababhekeli nomkhosi wonke sowujiyayela awusawubhekeli. You understand? Lapho hhayi angeke, but then kunama-ranks a-different ayenza izinto ezihlukile according imisebenzi yakho oyenzayo. Imisebenzi yakho ekwenza ukuthini ikhuphule to certain levels, the way nawe into kamadala uyincela ngakhona. Imfihlo impawu yethu ne, hence singayi-expose, but mina mangifuna ukubona umfowethu ngiyazi ngizombheka kuphi nakuphi. You understand? Ukuthi lo umfowethu okunobangela yabona, mara yona hayi naye. You understand? Isenyaweni. You understand? Ushwele ka-left ka-right angazi, mara yona isenyaweni yabo. Angithi sifunga ngokubaleka manje isenyaweni yabo. Sifunga ngawo umoya. You understand? Yazi khona abantu abanokuthatha into estradeni yabo, bakuncelise yona wrong, uyithole wrong, uyifunde wrong, uzoyenza wrong. You understand? Yikho omunye umthola bamshaya ngengaka ngoba uyaphaka uthanda izinto. You understand? Ineminingi ukuthi wena yakho hayi ingaka. You understand? Akusi-exposure lento lena, ngeke ngizoyibhala la ebusweni. You understand? Ibhalelane ebusweni for what? Because iyimfihlo. You understand? Hence sithi thina ekhaya sokhuluma wonke lama language asejele, but i-one thina mase sikhuluma singama Air Force abeke khona oyi-one ozosiza ukuthi sithini.
Ama-F3 nama-F4 into eyodwa bona ahlukene.
Sihlukene kabuhlungu kabi, akusinto eyi-one, akusinto eyi-one. Ama-S4 ayilento ayiyiyo, angazi ukuthi ayiyini. Understand? But ayilento ayiyiyo. Understand? Thina mase senze wethu umsebenzi, thina kunala sibashiya khona, bakhapha thina ukuthi siphume. Yabona mase siya ngayo into kamadala, ukuthi bafethu bama-26 hayi washo intanga sibhekele nina yikho lento yenu i-after lethu ngibheka iprogram, ngisi-after total yakho mina. After total lakho kanjani? After total lakho kanjani? Ngisi-after total ama-26 mina program. Oqala mina ngavela before ama-26 avela. 1816 ama-26 athini 1835. Ubani umdala lapho manje? Ngi-after total lakho kanjani? Ngi-after total lakho kanjani? Ngoba mina ngaqala ukuboshwa amajele angakabi khona, sesekhona idorum. Mina masengibuye kobusi-2 sekhona amajele, sekhona nina. Ngitshela ngelitshe lathola entabeni, lashiya ubani lelo litshe lelo? Ngibona sihlakaniphi nangu umprofessor. Mina angili namuntu ejele. Ne? Angilanga ukuyolwa futhi ejele. Mara mamele ijele livalwe eli. Solivala i-F yokugcina futhi. But imithi akusukulo. Inkambi zonke sine-agreement, ne-understanding nazo. Uthi wena umsebenzi wami nowakho hlukile bro wami. Mina ngishaya. Mina wami ukuthi ngiphume ngihambe ngiyangaphandle. Ngishayanga ngumdiyadiya. Ngeke ungithole nguCharlie ngiphaqa umdiyadiya. Omathuba. Ibraza yami leziya. Ngeke uzolithinta i-Big 5 khona i-Air Force unamanga. Ngeke uzothinta i-Air Force khona i-Big 5 unamanga. Ngikuvulele enye imfihlo wena bro wami ne. Mina khotmani lami ne. Mirza improfessor. Yisi isikeleme esikhulu kabi. Isikeleme sibhawa lapha ekhaya. 26 abasicavi isikeleme. Isikeleme sibhawa lapha ekhaya. UCharlie umfaka amadala beke ufuna ukubaleka. Ukubaleka usebenzisa zonke le nkambi lezi. Bano isikeleme lapho. Bano isikeleme lapho. Sana ngibaleka ngezimhlophe noma ngezibomvu. sizikhomba lapha ebondeni. You understand? Ubani isikelem lapho? Yabona afikile eDanyani ngazazi zonke lento lezi. But ngokuya lokuthola ama rankings wakho lokukhuphuka yabo uyahabula yabo nenombolo manje kumele usigijime khona umunye mfethu uMatebetsi ayi yo Matebetsi yo mshoda amshoda bekangezwa meke buya off futhi uzobuya adule insango zama 28 ama crystal ama 28 that night siyazi ukuthi eselini ibheka sobhema sonke and wasabhema eselini bheka soyemela lecala leli ya solimela bayahlanya basitholi ababone batholana. Understand?
Manje kushayisana indimela yera.
Bheka bona ukuthi nitholani. Bonani ukuthi nitholani. Thathele off embusweni kabani? Yeah, embusweni kabani sithathele ehof embusweni kabani. Lapho shathi ecourt lashapha umthetho. Ngisaxoxa indaba kaMatebetsi. Uthi uMatebetsi khoma ka ehof. Siyazi inkinga. Inkinga ubror. Ya inkinga ngasikhathi usukwagcwala sele zakhe naye. You understand? Uzobuya nazo singene sharp motor tha benyisele yonke nentandane kuthiwa bheka soyigcwalisela mangabe iyakhuzeka kwenzakala ukuthi bheka phuma esibhedlela bamshaya ngegoli madoda amnyama yabo manje la ngikhona ithini inombolo yemfethu manje kumele phele ibuyiswe igazi lomfethu elanga eliso labuyisa igazi and yishimele sigijime phansi elamadoda amakhulu madala sinike madala sayicela phela akuthi lihlala noma kubani yabo unala special khona lihlala khona yabo lona likhona khona la isikhathi sebhilidi selilonke zikhona bana ahlale noma ubani nala ahlala khona and aziphuma noma kanjalo. Understand? Ithi matala sayicela sayigcwalisela le futhi babone ebusweni ukuthi labantu laba badlali la badala inamba lezo saziholdisa inombolo edlalayo matala sithi sacela izwezwe sizigcwalisela inombolo esibangeni ababheka inombolo hayi dondi bheka inombolo ayi dondi. Understand? Akhesha singadaleki kwenzakala ukuthi nami ngaphuma ku visit ya ukuthi kufaka into zami ngaphandle bavulele ama 28 ama rough 3 2 yimi no Tommy Gun yeboxer le yebhuni yase Boxback world champion yelanga yengaka sithunje kuphela ama rough 3 lasi se deep end la if anything happens bodile namhlanje mara sigcwele isibanga sithi bheka asimove asitaka dive. Understand? The only thing that I have experience with Danyani Yogula bengila nenye 26 manje maybe before ngizotola. Yeah. Yangigweba 5 years ngaphandle. Therefore, a position of stolen motor vehicle. Yabuya ngishange 2 years phakathi ne-fine. Yeah, kumanje if I'm found with any position of any stolen motor vehicle, ngiyabhedelela le minyaka lesele ngiqhubeke ngale emisha engizoyithola yabo. So yeah, so now I have to be a good boy, ngiphathe grandi away from crime. Lezi zinto ngendlela senza amathanda inhliziyo yabona boss magenge Kaffer Music Thula Music wethu kuwo wonke ama social platforms wonke akhona from YouTube uyakhola just nje search Kaffer Music KAFFIR music MUZIQ then you find our music all those platforms. You understand? Bheka bona naseDanyani yo hey abafana abancane bafethi bayabaqeda yabona abafana abancane ejele abathanda izinto bayabaqeda ngoba manje unuphaphile from estradeni wathi hush wathi home estradeni into ongayazi ufike lapha bakucele ngalo home lo umsholo lokusiphaphela la estradeni ufike lapha uthola intanga zakho esana bazokwenza busy ngoba uphaphele into ongayazi. You understand? Nokuthanda izinto. Khona number le bekuyishaya iBrian ethi ithanda ukucula kakhulu lapha eseleni. Ungakhali molala ngesinkwa wehlise ngamanzi. Understand? That time vele sike sehlisa isinkwa ngamanzi. Understand? Than ukuthanda izinto. Ngoba uzosifaka enkingeni mawuthanda izinto bese ungasakhona ukusibhadalela lento lezo. Into yesiboshwa yonke into yakhulumela. Yabona? Yabona noma ngaba umntwana lasekasi lakho icava kanjani. Mayengashaya umthetho ayishaya umthetho. Angeke ngizuphakamela. Angeke ngizoyiphakamela ngoba kabhekanga. Nakhona into yenombolo iyasebenza ayisebenzi. Somewhere somehow. You understand? Somewhere somehow iskelem futhi. You understand? Because ibuye futhi iphise futhi ngenye inombolo. You understand? Bese ukukade kahle kalala man. Ufuna timing lento lena, understand? So if awukhoni ukuyifunda kahle unokugaxeleka eskelemini ungamjikela umfweni ozala umama oyi1 because of le mfweni lo unalento le onayo. You understand? Just because of situation ekanje nekanje amajele awafani nabo baba nabo bayoshaya umthetho khona baba baphakamisayo yisho bhokho ufresh ejimist eBoxburg esidudla nje ekutshela ngangi 26 babuze baba Boxburg babuze ngo fresh bazokutshela hayi 26 leya ayisifihle kusifihla. Understand? So khona amahata ashaya umthetho. Understand? And amanye aya-ishinatha indaba yani yenombolo ukuthi ayiphusha inombolo. Lempatha lezi asigcwala zirelaxe kakhulu siqaphi kamamazo la. Akhe kucace nje ukuthi kusejele. Basifake selinye liwadi for i-weekend. Futhi basifaka kuyi-Friday siphuma Monday sithi long weekend. Abheka. Iselabo probably sel next door mina. Basifakele selempatha. Labo probably sel next door.
Sebecela ukuthi abanga ukuthi enjele imoto.
Yeah, bakhululeke kakhulu. Understand? Basitshela ukuthi yibo yabo ngoba iselempatha bheka isho wabo baba.
I-23 uyakhona ukuthi ungene ukuba ngasofila ukuthi
kanjani asuka mamakho bakutshela vele linye lokungena likho lokuphuma phela manje wena masuphuma phuma lemfihlo zasekhaya wenza ukungenziwa wavuma ukuthi uzenza okwenziwayo mase wenza ukungenziwa wena uyipoison mele ushift ngoba manje lemfihlo lezi zasekhaya uyosiphalaza lapha emazweni sifakela izitha ukuthi zikwazi ukusipenetrate ngenile akusifashion la ile. Understand? Khona abantu abayiqhwalele khona abantu abayifele wena uzodlala ngayo uzofa. I do look for jobs for AV. Understand? Trying to freelance there. I'm a company khona eKasi. Sebafethu you can use me for extra hand. Understand? Just to lower me humble myself. You say umsebenzi wona uzosikhulumela masese fieldini sesigijima ukuthi oh no uyayazi ukuthi yini yazi ukuthi yini i-black magic uyayazi okay no man wena right ngithola because lighting stage I would run i-desk le lighting phethe camera controller screen understand control the sound definitely ngiyi-1. I'm an AV professional AV technician which is audio and visual. Anything to do with audio, splaga EPA festival or the conference, whatever I run, I do. Same time through, I'm a musician. Me doing this wrong, it shook a lot about ababaya eKasi ukuthi what happened to China. Now ngithe mangiphuma now have music obaya usahleli, you understand? Athinta uKabza uKabelo okay uDzingwa not uKabza the small no uDzingwa uKabelo kaFerm Music yangithola Kabza mfethu ibheka wo ophethe music wethu ngicela ukhiphe that music online ufake intanga all these platforms as possible as can understand no matter how long it can take for it to grow but I don't want to go back there you understand so there's group partners in crime that I'm working with under Afro Music Stable Sami Boss Magenge you understand awu amagama la oganga you understand there's isigebengu sikampumi brand esiphushana nakhona ekipa isibhale isigebengu you understand but leso sigebengu leso we tend it to be something positive izokwazi ukudlisa at the end of the day you understand kube i-brand okwazi ukuphusheka iBoss Magenge iKafero Music you understand i-criminal creative crew show whereby now shaya show amachita nabongwana you understand but then we support mani ngayitholi we sit namachita nabongwana we have certain relevant topics that we're talking about might be HIV and AIDS understand amachita nabo cherry sikhulume ngayo you understand but then in a problem ukuthi because of I'm an ex-convict understand you cannot be trusted that one you cannot support that project yeah kwenzakele siyakhula sibabadala singumkhulu namhlanje understand if you look at the ukuthi now I need to think very deeply the patient thing ayifunda ejele I need to practice futhi la outside I need to be a father to these kids my auntie ukhangibuza ukuthi ufundeni Thambo lapha ejele ngithi yazi my auntie is it was paining bona inyembezi college yona esa this year ready afuna ukubona likhala lelo already yabo but bona inyembezi kulo yeah that's when I knew ukuthi fuck this shit understand makazothi the only boy I have understand and sibonga selinga likhala la already there ngeke isikole sami ashuthi yane live understand live you get to undilive ngendlela yabo yeah and ayuthi ish bona bangasaphili namhlanje yabo abasekhe live mfanda yabo besikishimana bestradini basele opening babo you understand and uNkulunkulu chance bheka social lam ijima phansi yabo sele mfethu papaya understand and laba sala khona sala ngiboshiwe or angikho around Soweto I mean Leyondale understand kwenza into ezinsnacks mara most of the time mangiboshwa umacala basala bayashona understand manje endlini ne mangizophuma more than 3 hours ngazi ukuthi nguphi they worry understand they worry ukuthi eish uzoza nenkingi yo akabuyanga yo eish yo you understand my older sister calls me and say ukuphi empelo at times you feel like it's going backwards it's not they say when you pull the arrow backwards the more you pull it backwards the more it's going to fly higher understand so the more much when you fly in life you pull up backwards be like arrow because now if you pull it kancane izolenda la but the more you pull it backwards it's going to fly and land very far understand and also the difficulties you are going to face them in life in noma kanjani understand ayikwenza njani kona leli the hard way now istrata lesi it's uzoqhwala or uzobhoda or uzophumelela understand now I understand my name better which why I was named Phumelelo yabo it's not the easy road now I understand which why understand I had to face many difficulties that maybe when I've never faced before or that you faced even worse than me understand but follow your name who you are and what it means you understand and be humble humble, yazi umuntu ukuthi yini, yazi ukuthi umuntu yini. What makes you smile, I was telling uyinto ayizolo ukuthi what makes you smile is when I put a smile on someone's face. That makes me smile even more. Understand? Yeah, sure. Life the being a call bafethu. You live. Understand? I'm not proud of what I used to do, man. It's in the past. Understand? In the past. Yathi abantu ababhaya, ekhalisa abantu abaningi. Patience I know now better. I know myself better. Now I enjoy myself than before. Understand? Before I couldn't even tell anyone. You understand? I would always put myself in the crowd. You understand? But through all the ins and outs, the journey, you get to have introspection now. You get to talk to you, and that is the time that I wouldn't have outside because I was busy about doing ngapha nangapha. You understand? But inaba labafana. You understand? But when I was there, I was alone. Laba bebangidonsa ngapha nangapha bebangekho. I had to face it alone. Understand? And then that's when now we get to see ukuthi kahle kahle life injani. Angithola? Yeah. Angikhalisi ukuthi what I've went through and all of that. Understand? Ngikhalisa ukuthi what is ahead of God that has planned for me. Understand? It's bigger than what I even thought. Understand? And it's too nice. And angifuni ukuyishare ngiyi-one. Understand? I see there's this thing engilandelayo, understand? And the more if I don't pay attention to what I'm called for, angilimazi mina ngiyi-one. Khawatsheka nabantu ababhaya. Understand? Khawatsheka nabantu ababhaya.